This is one of my favorite moves to do when I've been working at the computer and sitting for too long. I take the gold ball and I'm just going to press it into my low back and get nice and tall. And then I just lean back just from this lower part of the body. I'm going to go ahead and just roll, press into my feet, lift my pelvis, keep rolling, press into that spine. And I'm going to go ahead and take that ball right there to about right where my shoulder blades begin. And I'm just going to pull my head forward and I'm going to connect back like this. And I'm just going to go ahead and extend, take a little breath and do this nice and slow. Just keep slowly melting over the ball. I'm not going to overdo it because I've been sitting hunched over for quite a while, and then I can just come forward again and try that again. So it starts to lengthen this whole line of abdominal muscles too, plus it lifts and lengthens the spine. I'm going to take it up just right between my shoulder blades, and I keep a nice long spine. I'm going to lift and wrap. I'm going to pull my head way forward and let that ball go right into my neck. And I just press here. And I can just twist to one side of my neck and press. It's all in the back of the skull. And then I'm going to bear weight and take it to the right side. It's in the back of my skull. And then I'm going to take this. I'm going to press into my feet. And I sit up. That little break is all you need.